Today we will see if your laptop is capable of upgrading to SSD or not, and the benefit of uh, checking that your laptop has NVMe slot is not that if you upgrade to SSD, then you don't need to remove your hard drive. Your thing and all the storage things, files and games will be stay there, and you can speed up your laptop by adding the SSD in the NVMe slot. So how to check? Just you need to open all the screws in the back panel and then remove it, and I will show you that where the place you can add the SSD. So just we are starting to unscrew all the screws. Now we are doing that, you can see. So here's the laptop look like from inside. This is the fan, and where you find that SSD slot is that this is the hard drive and this is the SSD slot, and I have put it externally. This is the RAM slot, this is the SSD NVMe slot. If you want to put the SSD here, then you need to remove that hard drive from here and need to put the SSD here. But if you want to put NVMe slot, then this will kept here, and externally you can put the SSD here, and you can just clone this hard drive to that place, Windows, and your boot time and laptop will be increased by 4 and 5 times. Here is very easy to put. I can show you very easy. You can do it by yourself. So that's the screw where it went here. So how to put that? Okay. So that is the SSD, you can see here. This is the 500 GB P1 NVMe slot by Crucial. You can check it in the description of the video. So that's how it's look like, and that will, and the place look like here, and the two screws places will be you find here, you find that, and it will tell you that you can add up the NVMe SSD. So how to put that, I will show you. So yeah, here you can put from the top, then just push inside. Now it's done, and screw it. It's little taking time. It's a very tiny place to insert it. Just don't screw it very hard, otherwise it will break. Just check it is not shaking, then it's okay. So here is the SSD. Now I will show you the boot time of this laptop. This is the i3 laptop. Not backing up the panel, showing you the boot time. Now just check the timer, how it took. much time it takes. I think that is quite good for the i3 laptop, and hope you like it. And for the review of this laptop and HP laptop, others are done in this channel. And if you like, and if you have any doubt, comment out.